Could this be the best USB microphone for £50? This is the AmpliGame A8 from FIFINE, and they were nice enough to send this out to me for me to review today. It's a USB microphone which is geared towards streamers and content creators alike, and it packs quite a lot of features such as RGB lighting, a gain dial, and many more features which we'll go over in this video. So before I start this video, are you a content creator and are you looking for a new mic? Because this mic may potentially be up your alley. In the box you get the mic itself along with its stand. You'll also get a metal pop filter, which to be honest I like that because no one likes them hisses and pops. It also comes with a mic boom arm adapter, which I think is very nice of them to include that, which allows you to pretty much use it with any stand you like. It comes with a USB-C to USB type A cable as well, so you can hook this up to your PC. And it also comes with the instruction manual. As with any microphone, the audio quality takes top priority, and the FIFINE AmpliGame A8 sounds pretty incredible. I have the gain set to around 60% and the vocals are incredibly clear. There's also no hissing or popping thanks to the included metal pop filter. And there's also no weird background static noises either, which is great. You can adjust the gain via a dial on the back of the microphone, which is a great feature I think. However, I wish the dial was on the front of the mic so I could see my gain in real time. But this is pretty minor as I just set my gain and pretty much just forget about it. FIFINE did put a lot of thought into the construction quality of the AmpliGame A8. It's got an all plastic construction, however, as we like to say on this channel, it's good plastic. The stand is pretty robust and it holds up the mic very sturdily. However, I did swap this out using the included boom arm adapter onto my microphone boom arm. It's nothing against the included stand, it's a good stand. However, I like my microphones on my boom arm so I can just move them out of the way when I'm finished. I also like the included shock mount too, as this does a very good job of removing the micro vibrations that the mic can pick up. So stuff like typing or just tapping on your desk. The AmpliGame A8 looks as good as it sounds thanks to its beautiful RGB integration. And this makes it stand out from a lot of other mics on the market, especially around this price point, as a lot of them don't have RGB. Personally, I think the RGB is a great feature on this thing and it makes it stand out quite a bit. The RGB can also be customized to your liking via a button on the back, and you can change it through different colour modes. I just tend to leave it on the RGB rainbow wave as I think it looks pretty good in my setup. However, I might just spice it up when I feel like it, and that's the bonus of RGB. It also has a 3.5-inch audio jack on it, which is used for headphone monitoring, and it can also be used as a pass-through. So say if you're streaming, you can put your headphones into this port, and you can also hear yourself, so make sure you're not peaking or anything like that. And you can also hear your teammate and your game through this as well, which I think is an incredible feature. It also has a tap to mute on the top, which is absolutely clutch because it saves them, let's be honest, pretty embarrassing moments, say if you're playing games with your friends and someone walks in. And it also has a indicator on the top, which is green for the mic is in use and red the mic is muted. Overall, for £50, I don't think you can go wrong with the FIFINE AmpliGame A8. It's a great microphone which is perfect for starting streamers, content creators and podcasters. And as it's a USB as well, you don't need to fork out on extra audio interfaces. If you're a streamer, content creator, or if you're a podcaster, I think for £50 you'll have a hard time finding a better value mic at this price point. With the audio quality, the features and that beautiful RGB, I don't think you're getting a better value proposition at this price point. And if you want to buy the FIFINE AmpliGame A8, I will leave a link to the Amazon listing and their website in the description below, so if you want to pick it up, you can pick it up from there. I'm also going to daily drive this thing from now on, as I might get back into streaming, so make sure you follow me on all channels for that. And as my friends have actually said, it sounds better than my Blue Yeti Nano, so yeah, so good job FIFINE. So I have a lot of faith in this product and I do recommend it to any budding content creators out there. So if you like this video, like it and stay subscribed for more content, and I'll catch you in the next one.